Good afternoon, children. So, welcome to the social class. Yesterday we have done textbook exercises, and I told you to be ready with your social classwork. Okay. So, already we have written of that lesson. Yes, children. What is the name of the lesson that we have completed? Our neighborhood. And so one more lesson we have completed, that is festival. Okay. So today we will be writing the classwork of lesson 2, festival. So all of you take fresh page. Okay. So last lesson you have completed with filling the blanks. After that, take the fresh page. Okay. Take the fresh page. Yes. Write today's date. What is today's date? 1/12/20. Okay. Write today's date. Yes. Write the name of the lesson. So lesson 2. So already I have written lesson 2. Okay. So heading of the lesson, festivals. 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 F capital letter. Okay. F capital letter. Festivals. Write the heading. After that, leave a line and start writing the first question. Okay. After writing the heading, leave a line, children. Okay. Start writing the first question. Question number 1. Why is capital W, children? Why is India? I capital letter, INDIA. Why is India described? Described. DESCRIBED. Why is India described as the so if you cannot write in one line, use next line. As the land, LAND, land of festival. So here, when you have written lesson heading F capital letter, but here in the sentence, so you will write small f only for festival. Okay, festival. FESTIVALS. Why is India described as the land of festivals? Question mark. Okay. So write neatly, children. Leave the finger gap after each word. So after writing the question, leave a line. Leave a line. Okay. Answer. A-N-S. Answer. So here, why is India described as the land of festivals? Okay. So the half of the answer is taken from the question. You pay attention, children. India is, okay. So in the question, India, okay, is India, but in the answer, we'll write India is described as the land of festivals because we celebrate many different festivals in our country. Okay, that is the answer. So India, I capital, children. India is described Described. India is described as the land, L-A-N-D, land of festivals, land of festivals, because C-A-U-S-E, because we celebrate, C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E, celebrate many festivals, M-A-N-Y, many festivals in our country. Festivals in our country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country, full stop. So the question, why is India described as the land of festivals? Answer is, India is described as the land of festivals because we celebrate many festivals, many different, okay? Different festivals in our country. So different festivals, we celebrate many different festivals in our country. So write fast, children. Okay, children, write fast. So if you are ready, please put up in the question and answer box that you are ready. India is described as the land of festivals because we celebrate many different festivals in our country. Ready, children? Yes? Ready? Very good. So I am rubbing. So take next page. Why? Because second question and answer has got 2 points. So you will not be able to write on the first page. Okay. So take fresh page. Question number 2. Question number 2. How do people celebrate Holi? H, capital H, O, W, half, finger gap. How do people, 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 celebrate, 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 Holi. So, Holi, Holy, name of a festival. So, capital letter, H, capital letter, question mark. Okay. How do people celebrate Holi? Leave a line after the answer. Okay. So it has got 2 points. Answer. One. First point. Holi is H-O-L-I. Holi. Finger gap is known. K-N-O-W-N. Known as the festival of colors. C-O-L-O-U-R-S. First point. So after first point, leave a line. Okay. Second point. People play. P-E-O-P-L-E. People play. P-L-A-Y. Play with dry colors. D-R-Y. Dry colors. C-O-L-O-U-R-S. Dry colors. As well as well as well as colored water. Colored, C-O-L-O-U-R-E-D, colored water, W-A-T-E-R, full stop. So 2 points. How do people celebrate Holi? First point, Holi is known as the festival of colors. Second point, people play with dry colors as well as colored water. Okay, write fast, quickly. So second question and answer, how do people celebrate Holi? Holi is known as the festival of colors. People play with dry colors as well as colored water. So pay attention to the spelling, children. Write neatly. Leave the finger gap after each word. So once you are ready, put in the question and answer box that you are ready. We move on to next question and answer, third question and answer. Okay. So second question and answer. If you are ready, put in the question and answer box. All must write neatly, children. So all must write, and it should be very neat. Why? Because sufficient time is given for you to write the question and answers. So if you are ready, put in the question and answer box that you are ready. Next, we move on to third question and answer. Ready? Very good. Right, fast. Yes, I am rubbing off. Second question and answer. We move on to the third question and answer. Okay. Third question and answer. Okay. So for third question and answer, take fresh page. And third answer has got 3 points. Okay. Question number 3. Take fresh page. How is Dasara celebrated? H, capital H. How is Dasara? Name of a festival. D, capital letter, children. D-U-S-S-E. H-R-A, Dasara. D-U-S-S-E-H-R-A, Dasara. Celebrated. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E-D. Question mark. So after the question, leave a line. Okay. So here I am not leaving line. Why? Because for 3 points, so board is not sufficient. It will not be sufficient if I leave line. That's what I am not leaving. So, but you have to leave a line. Answer. First point. Dasara is celebrated for how many days, children? Yes. So D, capital, starting of the point and the answer. Also, it is the name of a festival. So first letter should be capital. D-U-S-S-E-H-R-A. Dasara is celebrated for how many days? BRATED celebrated for 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 10 days. TENDAYS. Full stop. This is first point. Dasara is celebrated for 10 days. So after first point, leave a line. Second point. On the last day, ON, O capital, on the last day, LAST, last DAY, last day, the the effigies, EFFIGIES, effigies. So I told you what is meant by effigies. Effigies means made of model of persons. So that is to be destroyed or to be burnt. Effigies of 3 persons. Who are they? Effigies of. So you cannot write in one line, children. Use next line. Effigies of Ravana. RAVANA. Ravana, comma. Yes. Kumbhakaran. K. BHA. Kumbhakaran. KRAN. Kumbhakaran and Meghnad. AND and M capital letter. Meghnad. Meghnad are. So what are they? So after making the effigies, they are burnt. ARER, burnt. BURNT, burnt. Full stop. Third point. So after each point, leave a line, children. Okay. So I am not having space, so I am not leaving here. Third point. This event, capital T, THIS, this EVENT, event, marks, 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 marks the victory, VICTORY, victory over evil. Okay. So 3 points are over, children. So 3 points are over and this is the homework. Okay. So now pay attention to the complete children part. Question number 3. How is Dasara celebrated? So the answer has got 3 points. First point, Dasara is celebrated for 10 days. Second point, on the last day, the effigies of Ravana, Kumbhakaran and Meghnad are burned. Third point, this event marks the victory over evil. Okay, pay attention to the spellings of effigies, 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 Ravana, 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 Kumbhakaran, Kumbhakan, Meghnath, Meghnath, burnt, burnt, burnt. Next, event, 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 mark, marks, victory, victory, over, over, evil, evil, evil. Okay, so right fast. Why my board is not clear? So it is written in big letters. So there is no confusion, only one question and answer is written. Okay. So ready, children? So 3 points are there, isn't it? Right fast. So as homework, children, for tomorrow, social homework, learn and write lesson 2, question and answers 1, 2, 3. So today, what I have given. Okay. So tomorrow we'll be doing 2 more question and answers and filling the blanks. Okay. So those who are not ready, so those who are finding difficult to write, so why? Because it has got 3 points. Okay. So take the screenshot and complete it. Okay. Take the screenshot and complete it. Children. Take the screenshot, children. Parents, I request those who, if your child is unable to complete it, please take the screenshot. So some are ready, I suppose. Are you ready, children? Okay. So thank you very much, children. So once again, good afternoon and have a good day. Okay. So remaining question and answers tomorrow we will be doing. So as homework, please learn. Lesson to question and answers 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2 are short answers, and third one has got 3 points. But they are very easy. You can learn. Okay.